Amazon FBA, How to Make Money Online, E-commerce Courses. Mastering Amazon FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon. Understanding Amazon FBA is a service that enables you to store your products in Amazon's fulfillment centers. Section 1, Getting Started. 1. Understanding Amazon FBA. Creating an Amazon seller account. If you haven't already, sign up for an Amazon Seller Central account. Choose between the individual plan, suitable for occasional sellers, and the professional plan, recommended for serious sellers. 2. Creating an Amazon seller account. Section 2, Product Selection and Listing. Aim for a balance between popular products and niche opportunities. 3. Product Research and Selection. Creating compelling listings. Craft engaging product listings with high-quality images, keyword-rich titles, informative bullet points, and detailed descriptions. Optimize your content for both customers and Amazon's search algorithm. 4. Creating compelling listings. Packaging and labeling. Ensure your products are packaged safely and meet Amazon's packaging requirements. Apply unique barcodes, FBA, to each unit or use manufacturer barcodes, UPs or EANs, if applicable. Section 3, Preparing your products. 5. Packaging and labeling. Shipping to Amazon. Choose the most suitable shipping method, whether through Amazon's partnered carrier program or third-party carriers. Generate shipping plans within Seller Central and coordinate the transportation of your products to Amazon's fulfillment centers. 6. Shipping to Amazon. Launching your products. Once your inventory is received by Amazon, activate your listings and monitor their status. Utilize Amazon's early reviewer program and request a review button to gather initial product reviews. Section 4, Launching and Marketing. 7. Launching your products. Implementing Amazon advertising. Enhance product visibility with Amazon advertising. Launch sponsored products, sponsored brands, and sponsored display campaigns to drive targeted traffic and boost sales. 8. Implementing Amazon advertising. Tracking performance. Regularly monitor your seller dashboard, sales reports, and inventory levels. Use metrics like conversion rate, click-through rate, CTR, and return on advertising spend, ROAS, to assess your product's performance. Section 5, Monitoring and Optimization. 9. Tracking performance. Gathering customer feedback. Prioritize excellent customer service to earn positive reviews and ratings. Respond promptly to customer inquiries and address any issues professionally. 10. Gathering customer feedback. Expansion and diversification. As you gain experience, consider expanding your product range, exploring new niches, or even selling on different Amazon marketplaces. Section 6, Scaling your business. 11. Expansion and diversification. By following these comprehensive steps, you're well equipped to excel as an FBA seller. As you navigate the dynamic world of Amazon FBA, you're embarking on a rewarding adventure that has the potential to transform your business and your life.